Okay, so today we're doing another Aliexpress. Sorry, I'm on class at the same time that I'm filming this. I just want to make sure that nothing important is happening.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
What's up, everybody? It's Okayrichay here, back again with another video. And of course, you can tell by the title again, we're doing another Aliexpress outfit haul, an entire outfit from Aliexpress. This budget was a lot lower than the last one. I think I stuck to under $60 for the entire thing, but I'm not sure. I'll put it up here. I got shoes, which are open. Fun fact about these, the mail carrier lost it, not the mail carrier. I rent a mailbox and they lost it, and then when they found it, they opened it to make sure that it was my shoes. Fun fact, that's highly illegal. But anyways, here's the shoes. I technically have already saw them, so it's not an unboxing. Here's the outfit. Here's the outfit. And here is the accessory. Okay, so this is the accessory that I bought. Daisies, they're the cutest thing ever. This was the price. I think I'm just gonna throw something over here. And then I assume this is it. I hope this is it, because I've ordered so much stuff and now I'm broke and I have no money. I have to switch cars. Aw, shit. I shouldn't have cussed, I'm so sorry. I just cut through something. Okay. I just cut through this. It's a anti-tarnish silver polishing cloth. And this is what it looks like. I just cut through it. I was so stupid. And here are the earrings. They come in a little case. Sorry, I'm everywhere, guys. Forgive me, don't look at my boobies either. But they come in a little case. That's so cool, so they're not squished in the mail. And I'll show you how I open it, if I can figure it out. Okay. And then they come in a little baggie. And they look like the picture. There was two sizes, but they were in like millimeters, and I really wasn't sure what would be too big and what would be too small in my actual ear unless I put a ruler up to my ear, and I didn't feel like doing it. So I'll put what size I got here. And I don't know if you can tell what they look like. That's what it looks like. It's super cute. Very long, but I'm not entirely tripping. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but those are my earrings, my accessory. Comes in another bag, another poly mailer bag. I'm so nervous I'm gonna cut through something else. God, that's like the worst fear of unboxing videos, I'm sure. Holy bright. I gotta go back and look at the photo, but I don't recall there actually being... I don't know if you can see it. You see how bright those yellows are? Oh my god. And I got the size XL because Asian sizes are very small. But I don't remember it being that bright of a yellow. But we'll see. I don't even know why I bother sitting back down. I gotta get back up and show you. I thought this would be stiff. It's not. It actually feels like lace. Like, it moves like lace. But you know, there's some really stiff lace out there, so I had to make sure. Oh, it's 2 dresses. Can't remember. I got this a long time ago, and I'm kind of remembering now. I didn't open it until now, but here's the underdress. Extremely soft, but unfortunately, you can't tell, but it's actually see-through. That's the downside. This does look short, by the way. This is my body. This is where it was. Oh, maybe not. It passes the school. No, it doesn't pass the school thing because it has to be like 3 inches under your hand. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna be able to bend in this dress, but we'll see. Will I still wear it? Absolutely. Here is the actual Daisy dress. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure. Again, stand up. This one looks shorter than the white under part, but we'll see. It's got some shirring in the back. I'm not sure this is gonna fit me. I'm just gonna be honest. The actual waist is like kind of stretchy, but not really. This fabric is kind of stretchy, but. And then of course, finally, the shoes. I got my accessory, my dress, and now the shoes. This is the shoes that I got. This is the price. Not bad. Like I said, I was nervous, honestly. I really was, but I've already seen this. And y'all, when I say I did not think shoes would fit in this box, but they really used every inch of this box. And yet, I was not disappointed. I was not disappointed. So, I think I got a size too big because I got nervous. But again, I'm not tripping. Look at the detail on that. They're super cute. Perfect for like a little picnic or something. I wish I would have gotten like a purse or something. But again, I had a budget. It's one of these hooks and one of these hooks. So they are a little tight around the ankle. I did have to move this because this comes off. I had to move it to the first instead of the last that it was on, but it fits. So I guess I can't complain. They fit, they're soft. There are flaws, but not really noticeable. Oh, what did I break? I found it, guys. I'm gonna try and put it back on. I'm not sure what these are. There's a bunch of dangly strings sewn on. I think maybe I tie it, but I can't exactly tie it. I mean, maybe I can tie the shoulders. Okay, overall, I definitely think the shoes carried this outfit. If I had to rate it, I would give the entire outfit a 7 out of 10. Mainly because the shoes did carry the outfit. And the earrings, of course. I love the earrings. But the dress itself came with quite a few imperfections. By imperfections, I mean like... imperfections. Like, what is that? It's not too bad. I think it was definitely not made for my body type, my body shape, and it makes me look weird. This is such a weird thing that y'all have to see. It makes me look weird. I'm not sure how I feel about the small ribbons, even though it kind of makes sense for like Dainty, but I think the dress just ain't it for me personally. I'm out of breath if you guys can't. It's just not it for me personally. I feel like it doesn't, it looks like what I ordered, but not really. These shoes, star of the show, to be honest. If I could, I'd probably revisit this dress in the future because I already ordered it. It wasn't that much, but I am disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed with it. But if you did like any of these, I will link them down below. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next. If you want to see another AliExpress outfit haul, let me know. Tell me a theme and a price to stick to. Again, I'm more than willing to try. This one was alright. The last one was bomb. This one was alright. Hopefully the next one is just as great. And yeah, see you next time, guys.